Who stars we all are ready for him. Story about kindness, courage, and work very seriously, huh? Look here, let me tell you about Luma. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village by the sea, there lived a bright-eyed girl named Luma, who had just turned 3. She had messy hair, a giggle that could wake the birds, and a heart full of wonder. Every night she'd stare up at the sky and ask, why do stars hide during the day? Her grandma would smile and say, well, my dear, stars are shy. They come out at night to dance and play with dreamers like you. One evening, something magical happened to Star. A real one fell from the sky. It swooped and spun, twinkling like a spark of music, and landed softly near Luma's garden. Luma ran, her heart thumping with excitement, and with her favorite pink jar in hand, she caught it, a real live glowing star. The star shimmered gently and spoke in the softest voice. A little girl on the sky. But Luma hugged the jar close and whispered, you're mine now, we'll play every day. You'll sleep on my pillow and I'll tell you bedtime stories. And for a while, they did. Luma took the star to tea parties, drew pictures with it by her side, and let it shine during hide and seek. But after a few days, the star began to fade. It didn't sparkle, it didn't sing, it just flickered. Luma noticed. Why are you sleepy all the time, she asked. She shook the jar gently, no answer. That night, Grandma sat beside her and said, my darling, stars don't belong in jars, even if we love them. Sometimes the kindest thing is to set them free. Luma didn't want to, she loved her star, but deep inside she knew Grandma was right. So early the next morning, she climbed the tallest hill, held the jar high, and opened the lid. The star floated up, slow and shining, then it danced. It twirled and soared across the sky, happier than ever before it vanished into the blue. It paused and twinkled at Luma, a special kind of goodbye. That night, Luma looked up at the sky, found her star shining brighter than the rest, and sang softly, shine bright little light, come visit me. And from that night on, whenever she looked up, she knew her little star was never far. But did Luma learn that kindness is not just hugs and smiles? Sometimes it's letting go. That love isn't about keeping, it's about caring. And that when we share our dreams, they shine brighter than ever before. So my little listeners, remember, shine bright little light, day or night, and always let your hearts glow with kindness